Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the Speak English Today podcast. I'm your host, Mark, and I am so glad you decided to spend some time with me today. Before we start our lesson, I have a small but very important request. If you are enjoying our episodes and John's story, please subscribe to the channel. This is a small action for you, but it helps our channel grow and allows us to keep creating free English content for students all over the world. Are you already a subscriber? Great! Now hit that like button and let's dive into episode 08. Today, we are taking a small break from John's interview to talk about something fundamental: routine. Many students ask me, Mark, how can I think in English? The answer is simple. You need to bring English into your daily habits. I wrote a special text for you called A Productive Day. I'm going to read it twice. The first time, just listen. The second time, I will stop and explain the most important expressions. Let's begin. Every morning, I wake up at 6:30 a.m. I don't get out of bed immediately. I take 5 minutes to stretch and breathe. Then I make the bed and go to the kitchen to drink a glass of water. I usually have breakfast while I check my emails, but I try to avoid social media early in the morning. After that, I get dressed and start my work. I work from home, so I need to stay focused. At noon, I take a break for lunch. I love cooking healthy meals. In the afternoon, I continue my tasks, and I always save 30 minutes to study English. In the evening, I wind down by reading a book or watching a movie. Finally, I go to sleep at 10:30 p.m., feeling grateful for another productive day. What a calm and organized routine, right? Now let's look at the golden expressions from this text. First, did you notice the difference between wake up and get up? This is a classic. Wake up is when you open your eyes. Get up is when you actually leave the bed. In the text, the person wakes up at 6:30 but doesn't get up immediately. Next, we have make the bed. In English, we don't prepare the bed, we make it. It's a collocation, words that naturally go together. Another important one, have breakfast. Remember, we don't eat breakfast as a general rule in conversation. We have breakfast, have lunch, and have dinner. It sounds much more natural. And my favorite expression from the text, wind down. Have you heard this one before? To wind down means to relax after a period of work or tension. It's that moment in the evening when you slow down your brain to prepare for sleep. Why is this text important for you? Because these are daily verbs. If you can describe your day, you can survive in any English-speaking country. I want you to listen to this text again later and try to replace my times with your times. If you wake up at 8, say, I wake up at 8. You know, consistency is the key to everything. Just like in the text, saving 30 minutes a day for English, or even 15 minutes like we discussed in our shorts, will change your life. So here is your community challenge for episode 08. In the comments, I want you to write 3 things you do every morning. Example, I wake up at 7. I drink coffee. I check my phone. I'll be there in the comments section to correct your sentences and chat with you. Thank you so much for listening to Speak English Today. Don't forget to share this video with a friend who is also learning. The more, the merrier. I'm Mark, and I'll see you in episode 09, where we go back to John and see if he finally gets the job. Stay consistent, keep practicing, and see you soon. Bye-bye.